The Day of the Dead, La Charra. Join me, won't you? And welcome back. This is La Charra. She is a third in a series of painting projects from The Way of the Dragon at the Styrene Syndicate and Red Dragon Model Works. Gilbert Mondragon is teaching us all how to paint figures, flesh tones, just how to use oils, how to use inks, how to use pastels, and I'm having a blast. So La Charra is a quarter scale, and she is 3D printed from a very good friend of mine, Hobby Mike, over at NY3D Creations. I do not believe this is available. He printed this for us, and just for this project, but I'm sure you can find her out there on the interwebs and maybe secure your own copy of it. But just tell you a little bit about her and what I did. I did prime her with SEM high build primer, and that's a black matte coated primer, and it fills in all the tiny swirls that the resin printers do. And then I went on to painting her with acrylics, and I also used some luminescent acrylics, so she does glow in the dark, especially her sombrero on top, and you'll see that here in a little bit. I also wired in, as you can see here, an LED. So there's a green 5mm LED inside of the base, so the skulls do glow green. And basically I painted the face flesh tone, and then I did a white, very white light misting, and then I based her face off of a photo I found on the internet for the Day of the Dead. And then I used also the Vallejo color shifting paints for the snake. I had a blast painting this. The roses on the bottom are a dark blue and a red, of course, and then her hair's purple with some highlights on it. I did hand paint her eyes, and they do glow. The pupils glow also, but I'm very pleased with it. It's a fantastic bust. As you can see, it's pretty large, and I really enjoyed painting it. So without further ado, I'll just give you some video here at the end, and if you want to see all the available kits that Hobby Mike has over at NY3D Creations, I put a link in the description below. Head over there and see what suits you and what you'd like to buy. So with that, happy modeling, everybody. I'll say goodbye now, as you know. Happy modeling, and enjoy the video.